Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making creamy garlic chicken. Alright, I'm starting out here. I have 2 chicken breasts I cut in half to make 4 thin ones. And I'm going to spray them down with a little bit of olive oil. This is going to help our seasoning stick. And guys, these were some huge gargantuan chicken breasts. I think they came off of dinosaurs. And Dexter's quiet at them, and he was talking up a storm a little while ago, but as soon as he found out I'm making chicken, he got kind of offended, and now he's being quiet. Now I'm going to season these on both sides with some salt, pepper, and I'm using granulated garlic. You could also use garlic powder, but don't use garlic salt. So I'm going to get these all seasoned up. And my garlic. I'm going to go ahead and season the other side. Alright, now that I have my chicken all seasoned up on both sides, I'm going to take a little bit of Parmesan cheese. It was shredded. I took my knife and made it fine. Diced it up real fine. We're going to put some of that on the chicken. And over here in the large skillet I have 3 tablespoons of butter and about 3 tablespoons of olive oil heating up. I'm going to turn my heat down just a little bit because this is a cast iron pan. With cast iron, it really holds the heat. I'm going to put a little flour in there. And I'm going to go ahead and cheese and flour up the other side of the chicken. Alright, now that I have my chicken all cheesed and floured up, I'm just going to knock this down in with my fork to help some of that cheese stick on there. I'm going to get this into my skillet, and I'm going to fry this just till it's golden brown. We're not looking to cook it through just yet. We just want to get a nice brown on both sides. Alright, now that my chicken's all browned up and I pulled it out and set it aside, and I turn my skillet down some so it doesn't stay so hot, I have 1 small onion I diced up fine. We're going to build the sauce for our chicken. I'm going to get this in here and get this diced up, or get this sauteed up rather. And this isn't going to take long because the onion is diced fine. I'm also going to add in some garlic. I'm using a pre-diced garlic. If you use fresh, use about 4 cloves. I'm just going to use 4 healthy teaspoons. And you don't want to leave your garlic in there long because that will burn on you and get nasty. And what I mean by leave it in there long, I mean leave it in there long by itself. You want to put it in right before you add other ingredients in. I'm going to give that a stir. And that quick our onion's ready because it was diced really fine. Now I'm going to add in 2 cups of chicken broth, and I'm just eyeballing this. And I'm going to add in 2 cups of heavy cream. I'm going to turn my temperature up a little bit to bring this up to a simmer. And this is a 2-cup container of heavy cream. I'm going to make a nice golden, thick, creamy sauce. I'm going to add some salt and pepper to it. About a half a teaspoon of each. And I'm going to add in some grated Parmesan cheese. I'm going to turn my temperature up about to medium to get that up to a gentle boil. And I have about a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. We're going to put all that in there. And that'll do 2 things. That'll flavor this, make it nice and cheesy, and it will help thicken up that heavy cream. I'm going to add my chicken back in. Like I said in the beginning of the video, the chicken's still raw in the middle, but it will cook in the cream. We're just going to nestle it down in that cream. This is looking good, guys. Now I'm going to allow this to come up to a gentle simmer, and I'm going to let this cook for probably about 10 or 15 minutes till the chicken's cooked through and the sauce reduces down and thickens up. I left my chicken cooking here for about 10 minutes. I turned it over halfway through, and then I put on a plate to rest. I left my sauce reduce down. You see how it reduced and thickened up. This is ready to go, guys. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Serve some of that cream sauce over top of the chicken, and I garnish it with some parsley. And I also went ahead and made some spaghetti to go with this. Alfredo noodles would be awesome too. Let me get in here and try a piece of this chicken, guys. Super tender. The knife goes through it like butter. You can see my chicken's cooked through. Give that a taste. Man, that's money, guys. Sauce is creamy, garlicky. You get that Parmesan cheese. And you get the cheese and the seasonings on the chicken. Chicken's moist, tender. That's really delicious, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Creamy garlic chicken. Thanks for watching. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.